Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube here. I am doing a quickish kind of painting over a piece of art that I wasn't happy with. So I'm just giving it a coat of, well, kind of making navy blue. It was black with that blue added, kind of sent it a nicer navy colour. So I've just give the coat of paint and I'm going to do a different composition here with some minimalistic colours, I guess, and see where this one goes. I will be using the catalyst wedge in it, so I really hope that you enjoy this piece and watch on, and I'll jump in where I feel I need to. Enjoy. That was, I think the colour was called cyan blue that I used, and then this one is unbleached titanium, which I'm really loving of late instead of white. As you can see, I'm having to give the jar a bash to get it to come out. I had pre-mixed that. I reuse all of my jars and bottles as much as I possibly can, so I pre-mix that with my own pouring medium. So if you're a beginner and you want to know what my pouring medium is, there is a drop down box under each and every YouTube video. You might see a little icon with a pointy finger down or a V. You just press on that and there's a drop box that comes down. It's called the description box, and that's where I will have links to all of my tutorials that show you how to mix paints and how to seal and resin coat. It'll be in the links below. Also links to my Amazon shop, where all the products that I'm using will be listed in there somewhere, so that's where you'll find all the information. So there you go. I use the minimalistic colours, the last colour being my champagne gold, which is a custom colour that I make out of 50% gold, 50% silver. Makes a really lovely champagne colour. And now I'm using that wide tooth wedge to create some sort of different effects in it, and I'm absolutely loving it. So peaceful and calming to do. You must try, and it gives you lovely effects on the canvas, so please enjoy. This one I'm using is a little smaller one, it's silicone, but it's still got the bitey teeth. So you can just, they all sort of then create a little bit different effect. When you're doing it, try and do it slowly, take your time, because it's just so much more therapeutic as well as better results than rushing. Wow, we certainly loved those, the wedge goings on that I did in there. Kind of, I know somebody remarked on my Facebook page before that kind of looks like smoke rising when you see the painting, because it's quite a large canvas and when it's hung upright. But this is how I'm getting some really nice soft effects in here by just using the mini blow dryer, which is a mini Babyliss, that's what it's called, but you cannot buy the exact same one. I found that in a charity shop. I get asked all the time, so if somebody finds one exactly the same that you can buy, snap it up, and I definitely would buy 10 of them, because I just love that particular little blower. It's super easy for me to use, and it gives me lovely result. So as you can see, I was sort of blowing away to my heart's content, adding bits where I thought it needed it, and loads of different kind of things shown up in that. I can see from this angle here, it looks like a bird's head, beak and eye in the top to the left. There's just so much that shows up in your pieces. It's quite amazing. And yeah, I couldn't get enough of that little catalyst wedge, can I? I keep having a little go at that. Really hope that you enjoy this piece. Left it to dry and it's dried beautifully, no cracking, thank goodness. And that's the angle that I want to keep this one on. I just think it's lovely. It was something different for me and not a balloon kiss in sight. So please stay safe, people, and remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Don't suffer in silence. If that isn't available to you, then there's a helpline. All over the world there is a helpline. So please, don't suffer in silence. Until next time, I will say bye for now, but wait on for the bonus video. Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I had done this previous canvas board in a video that's already up on my channel and was sticking stickers on it or transfers, but I decided I didn't like it at all, so I pulled the transfer off. And obviously the piece is fully dry, and I'm going to do a flip cup over it because I'm just not happy with the way that particular one turned out. So I'm going to do a real sort of ocean inspired flip cup. So it's just basically loading my cup up with the paints, and I am literally going to flip the cup.
Suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without.
Definitely much better for me. I did try to do something different, as in the previous one wasn't a pour, it was just using my paintbrush or sponge brush. So this flip cup is kind of the good old trusty technique that always gets really lovely results, and for some reason these always sell well. People just see so many different things in them, but it's very ocean inspired to me, and just love the movement in it. I really hope that you enjoyed this and are not disappointed that I didn't continue on with the other previous pour that I did on it, or previous piece that I did on it. And I'm just, really thinking that this was much better for it. So hold on to the end till you see the dry piece, and I also have a little bonus video for you. So I really hope that everybody's doing well and taking care and enjoying your own art process.
I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
Let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown, your words echoing